Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the August 2023 completion of this section of the Southern Coastal Highway. Now this project is to build a highway from Harborview to Port Antonio, but it's being done in sections. So the entire highway from Harborview to Port Antonio, 120 kilometers of road, is scheduled to finish in 2025. But the first sections are scheduled to be completed in August 2023, in 7 weeks' time. So we're going to give you an update on that section, which is from the Harborview Bridge to the Yados Bridge, to keep you updated as to what's going on. There is another section of the highway from Cedar Valley to Morant Bay, which is 12 kilometers. It's not included in the 120. So in all, the highway will be 132 kilometers. 120 from Harborview to Port Antonio and 12 from Cedar Valley to Morant Bay. And the Cedar Valley to Morant Bay section is scheduled to finish in August of 2023 also. So we will do that section in another video, but today we're going to give you an update on the Harborview to Yados section. And that is 17.4 kilometers of road. So where we are now is very close to the Bull Bay police station, between 10 and 12 miles Bull Bay, and we're heading towards Harborview. Now, this section of the road from 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay to Harborview, the highway runs along the existing roadway, and that roadway was 2 lanes. So the work that's going on in this video is the expanding of the roadway from 2 lanes to 4 lanes and making it a dual carriageway, putting in a Jersey barrier. Now, this section is a section that we're not sure if it's going to finish by August 2023. Straight ahead in the path of the road coming up on the left now is a Bull Bay police station. Now this station has to be removed because it's in the path of the highway. There it is on the left. It's still there. There it is. The bushes are kind of blocking it, but you're going to see it now. There it is. Very historic station, but you can see there's just no space. That station has to be removed, and all that has to be done in 7 weeks. So we are not 100% sure that this section of the highway will be finished by August 2023. 7 weeks time. Guys, what do you think? And the work to be done here is the existing roadway has to be upgraded to 4 lanes. So that's the road, that's the work that's going on now. And it's all the way from 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay to the Harborview Bridge. Actually, from the Harborview Bridge to Albion in St. Thomas, it's 4 lanes. And then from Albion to Yados, it's 2 lanes. But the other sections of the highway will be completed by August 2023. So from the Harborview Bridge to 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay, this is where we're driving now, and a lot of work needs to be done. And when you look at the video, you're not going to see a lot of work going on. Now, this side of the road looks like it's close to being completed, probably just the white lines and another layer of asphalt. But look to the right. That road is not even paved yet. In some sections, the 4 lanes have not even been put in. So this is a section that we are most concerned about remaking the August 2023 deadline. So that's Harborview to 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay, and that's the section that includes the police station that needs to come down. Now from 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park, a new road was built going over the hill. That road is practically finished. It's just minor work to be done, so that section can be completed by August. Now from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, minor work left. The 4 lanes are in. They're actually in some sections. The road is paved on both sides. So that section can easily be finished by August 2023. Now from Albion Heights to Grand Spen, a new road has been built going over the hill. We haven't been able to drive on that section of the road because it's blocked off. But we are assuming that it will be finished by August 2023. And that section actually has most of the work going on now. And then from Grandspen to Albion, that is 4 lanes. That section of the road will be finished by August 2023. And then from Albion to Yalos, which is 2 lanes to the Yalos Bridge, that section should be finished by August 2023. So the only section that we're concerned about is the section that we're driving through now, and you can see it for yourself. 10 to 12 miles, Bull Bay to Harborview. And guys, let us know what you think. Do you think this section can be finished in 7 weeks? I'm not 100% sure because 2 reasons. 1, a lot of work has to be done, and 2, we just don't see a lot of workers on this section working. I mean, I'm not sure what's going on. Guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Now, China Harbour Engineering Company is doing a lot of work in Jamaica. They are the main contractor and sometimes the only contractor for these highway projects. They're doing buildings. They're doing the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, that project. They are doing Highway 2000 Maypen to Mandeville, and they're doing this highway. So we'll keep you guys updated though. Every week between now and the end of August, we will give you updates on the entire stretch of the road and between Harborview and Yalos. And we're also going to drive on the entire stretch of the highway, 132 kilometers, from Harborview to Port Antonio, and then from Cedar Valley to Morant Bay. We'll probably give you an update on that section once a month, because that entire section from Harborview to Port Antonio is scheduled to finish in 2025. So once a month should be good, but we'll give you weekly updates on this section, the Harborview to the Yalos section, as we approach August. Alright guys, so remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.